3:39. Remain time 3:39. Garcia. Binigay kay number 16. Pass to Garcia. Blocking na po yan. Dito pa, foul na. Foul commit number 4. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both team warning for penalty. Garcia. Binigay kay number 16. And number 16. Bolang bola yan. Natapik. Bolang bola. Number 2. Buda. Binigay kay number 13. Pass to number 4. And number 4. And number 4. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 2. 10 seconds. Shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Another 24 to Mama Sering. Number 16 pass to Garcia. Number 4. Garcia. Foul po yan. Umabot si number 4 Miranda. Foul committed at number 4. Penalty na repa. Time out. CJ Company. Lakal po. Salamat. Both team on penalty. 61-54. 2 minutes and 49. 2 and 49. Both team on penalty na. Number 4 warning for graduate. Pwede Lobo. Walang tira pumasok. Pangalawang tira. Ready for jumper. Pangalawang tira wala. Number 23, pop. Kita-kita, umabot pati sa kamay. Foul committed number 6. Umabot ng kamay. Warning for graduate number 6. Penalty. 2 minutes and 43. 2:43. Remaining time. Walang tira, wala. 55-61. Ready for jumper. Move on. Number 7. Lulu. Binigay kay number 2. And number 2. Pass to number 7. Lulu. Lulu number 7. Binigay kay Lulu number 2. Lulu. Pass to number 7. 10 seconds. Shot clock. 9, 8. Nakakuha po ng Dilaw. Ayan po. Number 4. Binigay kay number 33. Good for cheer. Score. 57-61. Apat na lang ang kalamangan. Number 14. Ayan. Nakawala si number 14. Symbol po yan. Nasundot ng bola. 2 minutes. Exactly. Last 2 minutes. 61-57. Both team on penalty. Number 2. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 2. And number 2. Oops. Foul na po yan. Holding foul. Number 3. Penalty. First personal foul. Number 3. Penalty na po yan. 1 minute and 49. 1:49. 1:49. Unang tira pumasok. 62-57. Pangalawang tira. Wala. Rebound. Number 1. Just ball foul. Number 13. Penalty. Warning for graduate number 13. 62-57. 1:48. Wala po. Pangalawang tira. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Mabawi. Wala po ng Dilaw. Yellow ball. 62-57. Reserve, mga bina po. Number 16. Ang gandang pasa. Opya, foul na yan, foul na. Yes, foul. Foul commit number 14. Whining for graduate penalty. Time out for Dilogo. 62-57. Remaining time. Unang tira ni Soriano, number 33. 62-57. 1 minute and 35. Unang tira pumasok, 62-58. Pangalawang tira. Wala, rebound. Rulo number 7. Pass to number 2. And number 2. Okay, foul na po yan, foul na. Foul committed number 16. Whining for graduate penalty. Whining for graduate number 16. Penalty 62-58. 1 minute and 20. 1 and 20. Walang tira wala. Good by jumper. 1 minute and 20. 1 and 20.
Malapit na mo eh. Huwag na kayo lalayo.
Pumasok, 63-58. Number 14. Umega, tinira, wala. Number 4, wala pa rin. Number 33. Nasundot ang bola. Nakakuha ni number 14. Number 14. 1 minute na isang minuto. Munag. Bola po ang yellow. Yellow ball. Okay, honest mistake. Honest mistake po yan. Nagito lang isa. 56 seconds. 56 seconds. Number 13. Oops, sama po yan. Soriano, number 33, penalty. Second personal foul penalty. 54 seconds. 54 seconds.
Huwag na kayo lalayo.
Hold on. Last round. Unang number 2. Jump ball. Bola po ng Pilaw. Yellow ball. 50 seconds. 50 segundos. 63-58. Number 14. To Churchill. 63-60. Opya, pala po yan. Wala na po kayong timeout. Wala na kayong timeout. Nagamit na na. Foul committed number 4, Garcia. Whining for graduate, Garcia number 4. Whining for graduate. Okay. Whining for graduate pa lang number 4. Whining. Wala tira, wala. 63-60. 40 segundo, 40 seconds. Ready for jumper. 64-60. 40 seconds, 40 segundo. Jones. Tinira. Nagpocho, and the score. 64-62. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan. Paula po yan. Number 16. Graduate number 16. Graduate. Pumasok pa rin. 66-62. 23. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15. Foul number 14.
Lana.
Whining for graduate, 15 seconds, 15. Seconds, 13 seconds, 13. Penalty, 13 seconds. 13 seconds, 66.